Hello, brother. First one today. Nice, nice, nice. Hello, hello. You're really very funny. But nice, nice to see you here. Okay, today let's see what can we trade. I think I saw a good one though just now. What was it? I think it's Disney. Okay, so let's see. Hello, Rick. Morning, morning. Okay, random. If you're tired, go and rest earlier. Don't need to come here every day. Really, guys. I I really appreciate, you guys coming here every single day, make the live stream, so lively. You will be tired also. I understand, guys. So if you want to, go and take an early break. I think, the course give you more knowledge. On live stream, more or less, you are like looking at how I do things. Okay, Disney maybe a good one. I'm thinking of taking a trade for Disney. So might be ready. But just to be a little bit more careful, okay? Because Spy still haven't give us that pullback. So I'm not too sure, when it will start to come. Disney is something I'm very interested in. Okay, I need to write down. Can write down here. Disney number 1. Okay, number 2 is Stack. Okay lah, random. Sometimes, you also need to take a break, Don't need to be not too harsh on yourself. I do understand the struggles, Go to work, come back, have a dinner, rest a little bit, then after you come here for live stream. It's not an easy thing, Okay, one moment, Shiro. Let me scan some charts first. Okay, so far nothing here. OSCR. OSCR. Yeah, there's earnings coming soon. Okay. Still got about 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Just be careful on this part. I'm not too sure whether it will drop to maybe somewhere around 9.95. I'm not too sure whether it will go there or not. But as of right now, I can't tell though whether it's a good trade to buy or not. Yeah, I will definitely need to wait for a little bit more before I can decide. Okay. Then HIMS. Yeah, HIMS. When is the earnings also? Okay, about 2 weeks from now. HIMS possible, a small trade to buy, I think. Maybe quite possible. Yeah, but I don't know how much it can go up, so just be a little bit more careful on this part. Yeah, it's not very clear to me as of right now. But definitely looks much better than the other, just now that ticker. Okay, good. Just now I scan until where, okay. I think I scan until somewhere around this area. Oh no. Okay, now I think here. Oh, TMO fire off. McDonald. McDonald is such a slow moving stock though. But sometimes it moves a little bit faster. Yeah, something to consider as well. Let's see, we got any good trades today or not? Nope, nothing here. Okay, CVNA. Hello, Millie. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Yeah, Millie right now is also another student Liao. Congrats, my friend. Yeah, I think Millie can tell who are the students. Those very, very active one. You know, usually they talk a lot. Yeah, but Millie, they are very, very nice guys. Really, so far, the one that all joins the group are very, very nice. They are also very funny, huh? And if you do play Mobile Legend or something, you can join them. They are very pro. Very, very pro. Like next level, that type, you know? Yeah, Millie told me he has been on live stream for about 1 month already though, but then I also never see him though. Because I think he never talk. You changed your name, okay, okay. Previously, what was your name? Flappy Bird. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think I saw you. I saw you. Yes. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Mealy, how come I didn't see your name? You told me that you were here for one month already. Oi, this Moderna fire off already. I was looking at this stock though. Okay, okay. My alarm got triggered, but then I think I accidentally, removed the notification. My God. Okay, it's okay. We'll just go and find another one. Okay. Who are Hazel? She's going to speculate for earnings for AAL. So for us, right, possible DAL might be one setup for us to look at. I will write down DAL as well. AMD, I'm in already. Beach boy, I'm in already. I'm in AMD. Oh, Beach boy, long time no see. Today got lesser people already. I remember that time you want to ask me something, right? And then you told me there were too many people on live stream. Oh, just only. Just now pre-market, I entered the trade. Yeah, recently I think, to enter a pre-market seems like it's better than entering when the market open, because once the market open for about 30 minutes, it stopped moving already. How much? 155.8. I just entered not too long ago only. These are the student group chat again. You are really. No, oh, AMD coming down, huh? Really? No lie, it's going up. Eh? Oh no, no, 15157. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going up, Beach Boy. I think I saw wrongly. I thought it's suddenly dumb or something. You give me a shock though. Usually, what you trade? I trade more of US stocks, a little bit of crypto, and then and China stocks also. Okay, so these are the few things that I trade. Forex, I totally quit already lah. I don't trade forex anymore. Beach Boy, yesterday you bought EMD. Good. APLD. APLD. Why is it so familiar? APLD, I will definitely wait. Right now, still not very clear to me though. Yeah, I can't tell whether it's up or down. I will wait APLD. Next one is RXRX. RXX definitely looks like more upside to go. Okay, but then you are hitting resistance already, so be a little bit more careful on this part. If there's a consolidation, definitely I'll go in for the buy. Okay, small size, no problem, no problem. Small size also can become a very, very good trade. Okay lah, better than that, better than that. 1 to 200 is also a very, very good trade. Okay, Rick, one moment, huh? SNEX. SNEX. Okay, this one we can monitor a little bit, but then we'll definitely will need some pullback. No pullback are quite difficult to buy though. Yeah, but it looks good. It really looks good. It's something like, RBXL, you can do a very small risk, do like a day trade type of risk. Then after that, try to, see whether it can keep continue going up or not. Yeah, this trade, this instrument, right, the movement is quite nice, but you need to have a little bit of patience. Yeah, a day trade should be fine. And because you can see, right, you go up to the weekly, it just keeps going up like that, up and up and up and up. And I think this stock did, oh, yeah, you can, I don't think it's a reverse stock split. Yeah, it looks good though. Monthly, yeah, definitely a good stock. Definitely a good stock. Oh, you changed to IBKR Liao. Okay, okay. Yeah, just use either one. IBKR, if not, use Momo. Usually, this is what I use and I like it. Oh, DDOG a little bit, wasted, huh? But then it's looking not bad though. Okay, what time? 1 more minute until market open. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Beach Boy. If you don't understand how to use the interface, the best thing is that you just download, DeepSeek, and then after that you ask DeepSeek what is all that functions for. Yeah, I always do that whenever I use a new broker. It's the easiest way already. You understand how to use it extremely fast. Okay, market open liao. Let's go back to SPY and see, Okay, spike up a little bit. Spike to where? What is this price? 631.9, around there. Don't tell me spike coming down. No, AMD doing good. Nvidia also. Amazon still doing well. Apple okay. Meta is also okay. Google. Okay, let's see whether we got any alarm being triggered. Oh, have quite a lot though. Okay, we look at stack first. Stack maybe need a little bit more. I will shift this here. Is the alarm there or not? Safe. Okay. ARW. I think ARW is also by random. Random, I think next time I call you Adrian. I called you your name better. Okay, Celsius. Maybe coming soon as well. Okay, nice. Yeah, I know too many Adrian already. Really like a lot though. Okay, first thing first, definitely need to log in my account. Sometimes I cannot log in. Hey, I open the music too loud. Okay. CMLI. Hello, another Adrian. Hello, my friend. Your China stocks is doing well. Very, very well. Amazing that type. Can hold for a little bit more. I also went in into some China stocks. MLI looks like going up though. Right? Let me see. Yes, definitely going up for this stock. You want to buy Rick? Broke the trend line. Yes. It looks good though. But in this trade, the stop loss might be a little bit wide, I think. Yeah, a little bit wide though. Unless this one we can go down to the 5 minutes or something later on, we can monitor, see any pullback or not. Then maybe we can try to enter. Yes, give CELH. I look at it already. It's coming soon. Coming soon. Okay. If we get a confirmation, we take the trade. MRK. MRK quite aggressive, huh? This one is very, very nice, retest of the trend line, then shoo, suddenly go up. Yeah, MRK, I think we can wait for a little bit of pullback because this stock, right, the way it move, it move a little bit and then it gives you a pullback. So I think definitely can wait. MRK, I don't think will suddenly fire off. Yeah, my alarm for for Celsius also got triggered. So definitely something that we can monitor. Oh, Property Lee Brothers. I'm actually still looking though. I'm still looking whether, what trade to take. Currently, I took it during the pre-market sessions already. So this is the trend recently, the pre-market session, you take it, then after that, market open for about 30 minutes, and then that's it, Liao. Nvidia, I think you wait for a larger pullback before you buy, because you are going to hold for quite long. Unless you are, like us over here, you do trading that type, then okay. Yeah, I think you wait for a larger pullback first. Yeah, because we get in and out very, very fast, then we monitor the market all the time. So it's a little bit different from you. Yeah, when there's a big pullback, I will let you guys know, Then you all can start to position yourself again. Oh, this PDD is super duper strong. Oh, Futu going now. Okay, it's not bad, Today market open already. It didn't dump a lot. Okay, 6 minutes in, we still don't see a huge dump. So possibly, our 632 for SPY still maybe can be hit. And today we have earnings after the market close. Tesla and Google. Okay, Hazel, good luck. All the best to you. You speculate a lot or not? Huh? Have you speculated, earnings before? But I think you speculate before. I look at you like, yeah, of course. Okay lah. Then I think you can more or less just prepare 10% either direction. Okay. Tesla, right? 10% is not really a lot. But then Google, I think the 10% is a lot. 10% is like crazy that type. But if Tesla were to go down after the earnings, guys, let's prepare, my friend. Okay, we'll get a very, very good trade for Tesla. And then Google. Now my turn. Make Hazel scared. It's okay lah, small. Google, I can't really tell where it will go to though. Yeah, sometimes before earnings we get consolidation. Those that will give me more confidence where it can go to. Something like Google, I think likely quite neutral. I think it should be quite neutral. Never go up a lot, never go down a lot, something like that. Then maybe after earnings, it just go back to, maybe the exact same price as of right now. It's okay, small. Okay, contraries, And AAL, oh, you really number one, Hazel, really number one. AAL. Oh, really no fear, AAL got earnings, man. Where's the earnings? Oh, wait, my chart is still not loaded up, right? No earnings, Where the earnings for AAL? Oh, yes, tomorrow. Okay. AAL, yup, I think if you speculate for upside, looks good. No, this one is tomorrow after market close. Okay. Just now we were looking at DAL, is it? Let me see. You go down, you vent your anger on Adrian. Adrian. You just step on the tiger, tiger tail. The lioness tail. Rick, what video you watch? Okay, BMNR. You see, guys, after market open, no movement. Today is another different day. No movement. So slow. This one 100% I think more down. Okay, BMNR. I think more downside. The way I look at it, yes, this is the classic stock that I always talk about, If you all take a look over here, these are really the classic example. Like you have a spike here, you have a spike here, and then, a few spike over here. This one looks like VIX though. Looks a little bit like VIX, See all the spike, then after that, you'll consolidate here. So be careful, bro, for this stock. And I think they did a lot of reverse stock split. Yup, a lot. And this stock went into negative, really? How come? Is it negative? No, not negative. About 27 cents the lowest. Oh, that's like... Yeah, bro, I don't know how to help you on this, but then I think more downside. After the spike, most likely is done already. And then it will consolidate for quite a while before the next huge spike. Yeah, so the last one was September 2021. September 2021 though. So that's like what? Almost 4 years. 4 years later, you get one spike. Wow, this one like a little bit long though. Yeah, some of the spike, it occurs roughly about 1 year once or something, but only this one. BMNR. I type inside here, BMNR. I cannot, today I cannot type on my own live stream. What? Really? Yeah, I cannot type anything. Cannot. Can I? Why cannot, huh? BMN. Send. Cannot. Your comment wasn't posted because of these live settings. Huh? Yeah, but this stock is B M N R. Yeah, TikTok is always like that. Always get a restriction here and there. I want to give up, yeah. But I got no choice, Here got more viewers. Okay, IWM also pulling back a little bit. How about SMH? Okay, it's been a while since I. Oh, SMH is nice. Okay, but it looks like pulling back also. So possible. Yeah, Nvidia is also not going anywhere. EMD not going anywhere. Today, market is a little bit different, More different than the past 1 or 2 weeks. Today after market open, it's not going. It's not moving. Oh, NUTX. I think my alarm got triggered though. Okay, it came into the zone. Very, very beautiful. Something that I'm actually looking to buy. Braveheart. I'm actually looking to buy this. No. I haven't bought it. I think yesterday it went into the zone, but then I was sleeping. So today, I'm trying to monitor this also. Possible I might try to buy. Yes. That time I give you what level to buy. I think it should be inside this zone. Yeah, I think anything below about 95, yeah, is a very, very good entry already. Okay, nice. Braveheart, very, very nice. Yeah, I like it. I like this trade. When is earnings? Earnings is okay about 2 weeks, so okay, you got room for it to breathe. You watch it coming down from 110. 110 not a lot though. 110 is still okay. Yep, it's still okay. $10 in 2 minutes. Wow, really? Okay. Thanks for the reminder. Okay. I understand already. Here. Okay. This stock can be quite, quite aggressive. So when we trade, try to, take a smaller size. I think take a smaller size. Yeah, guys. So this is also something that I'm looking for. Just wait for a little bit. Okay, it came into the zone, super nice. Okay, something that I will consider. Okay, live stream, any chats here or not? I always forget to see. Okay, so far no chats on live stream. Okay, very, very good. Okay, Adobe coming down. Qcom still consolidating. How about SPY? Okay, SPY is coming down. Okay. Yeah, today the market looks. Let me see. Apple reject the magic flip. Yeah, guys. Rick, now you understand, The moment you use that flip, you see how powerful it can be. That's why after I found out the magic flip, I no longer care whether, how the impulse look like, all that. Hey guys, I will take a day trade for Amazon. Okay, so I will say inside the group now. If not, might be a little bit too late already. We will short it, okay? Um, okay, this time round I try not to be too tight lah. We do a better one. Okay, one moment. Let me see one more time. Okay, I think can. TP. Okay, wait, guys. Wait for a little bit. Okay, let me go back to SPY and see again. SPY coming down. VIX almost there. Tesla going up. EMD up, but quite neutral, same as NVIDIA. Meta also quite neutral. Oi! Netflix into the zone, guys. Almost there. Palantir, TSM. Oh, crowd going down now, dumb. What happened to crowd? Okay, it's okay, I'll read later on. Okay, I'll wait for Amazon a little bit. Just a little bit more. Okay, guys. Once I see the confirmation, I update you. We go short. Gigantic green. Huh? Amazon got 2 gigantic green. Okay. I think you mean these 2, huh? Okay. What about Disney? Wait, huh? Disney. I will still wait. I don't think there's any confirmation for me to take this trade. Yep, no confirmation. I will wait for a little bit. Okay, Rick, understood. 不要 short 啦. Okay lah. Our short is more like a day trade, and then we try to convert into a swing trade. Okay, just I think I saw one comment, but then I miss it. Where is it? Oh, Shiro. What is this? RMSG is it? 还有 this background make me can't read the text so well. Let me take a look again. RMSG, I think. RMSG. Oh, it looks like the huge spike might be coming soon, huh? Is it? This stock looks like that. Yeah, bro, this one I also can't help you a lot. Yeah, this type of trade, right, you need a cash account. You definitely need a cash account. As long as you use a cash account, you have the time to wait you can buy, but for me, I don't like waiting. The moment I'm in the trade, I want it to move like right now. It doesn't move, I take off the trade. Yeah, so this one maybe the huge spike might be coming already, maybe incoming soon. Yeah, I think you rarely see such a nice candle in this chart. Yeah, this huge green one, it looks quite good though. Yeah, Amazon, we wait for a little bit. We need to see whether, we got any confirmation. Okay, so far I don't think so. I don't think it will be today, okay? So we still need to wait. Market, you see, pretty much dead already. We are only about 20 minutes in. It's not moving at all. Google also coming down. Crow. Crow is nice, huh? So if you guys, remember how I took crowd and how I managed the position, so this is something that you can do. If you try to pick early start of a trend, you can do something like that, similar to the crowd trade. So when it doesn't perform, you just take the break even first. Oh, NUTX alarm triggered. Okay, let me see. Okay, I have all these already. Okay, Hazel Celsius doesn't look like it's going to be ready today. Stack definitely not ready today. How come? How come the alarm got triggered? I don't understand. Maybe I shift this a little bit higher. Safe. Okay, Braveheart, give me one moment. I scanned through a few instruments that my alarm got triggered. I want to see whether I can take them or not. Hey, how come this is also triggered? Oh, okay. I will set new alarms for NUTX. Okay, so I delete the one on over here. Okay, potato. Why no confirmation? Because I look at SPY. Okay, I will always use SPY as the correlation. Because whenever I want to take a trade or something, I will look at how is SPY doing. And you guys know, right? I have been targeting the area, the 632, for a long time already. Really like super long that time. And then today, the highest it went to is about 631.93. So it missed by maybe 7 cents. So just on SPY alone, I will be a little bit more careful. I like to, trade in the direction where SPY starts to go. Yeah, but Disney, I will give it a miss as of right now. Yeah, possible, can go up a little bit more, but the mid won't be, I don't think there will be much mid already. Then after it will get a very huge consolidation. So I'm okay to give this a miss. Yes, Disney passed all the criteria. it passed all the criteria correct, but then because I'm a little bit more cautious because of SPY, because of the 632. It's also because of the FIP extension. The moment it touches all that, and this touch is not the small FIP. You try to FIP those small impulses, but then this one is a huge one. So usually the huge one, I will tend to be a little bit more careful. Because I think we can definitely hunt for other trades. Don't have to be Disney. Definitely we will have other good trades. William, I never enter but then I enter JD. Hello William, long time no see. Yes, something like that. Yes, random, something like that. Correct. Because most of the stock that we took, they are like the penny stocks, and then they are also not part of the S&P. Yes, correct. Then I was also looking at IWM. So IWM, I think it will, it will start to catch up to maybe SPY a little bit, because it still haven't break the all-time high here though. You can see right, IWM, the all-time high is here, but then SPY already broken this. Okay, but then it's IWM. IWM still, hovering around this area. But of course, we also might be wrong. IWM maybe can, starts to correct around this area. But we also don't have a lot of positions, right? We only have a few left. Yeah, CCI is good. Only we have the CORZ, but then it's slightly negative now. So just be a little bit careful on this part. Yeah, that's why I took it as a day trade only. Yeah, the only one that I like it a lot is AMD. Just now during the pre-market session. AMD, where is it? Yeah, AMD, you can see, right? AMD is still holding up quite well. Whereas if you go back to SPY, you see SPY is coming down. It's not a lot that type, but because of that 632, the FIP extension level. So I'm being a little bit more cautious on this part. Because if really we start the huge pullback from here, likely you will see a lot of stocks starts to pull back as well. Because normally we try to take trades when they are pulling back. We don't, take trades when the market is trending. So whenever it's trending, right, normally I take it as a day trade only. I lower my risk. You can see Microsoft also coming down quite aggressive. Google still okay. Oracle, let's see. Oracle looks like maybe more downside. And then Netflix are definitely down after earnings. It just keep crashing already. How about, okay, Adobe still okay. Then if we look at Palantir also looks like maybe more downside to come. RBLX, not too sure what is it doing. We definitely need some consolidation. What else? Okay, crowd dump a lot. PANW, I can't tell where is it going. So the direction is a little bit mixed, so I would rather skip it for a while. Yeah, possible Disney maybe can just come here, then after it starts to go down already. And then just now when we get the breakout, it went a little bit too far. So I will give it a miss for now. But of course, if SPY starts to recover or something, we can try to enter again. We just do a very small day trade with a very small stop loss. The RR will still be good. So normally, this is like things that I always find that correlation between before I take a trade. No, no, no. Adrian, what your explanation is good though. I think there's also no volume, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, there's also no volume. So, uh, possible, uh, okay, let me see. Maybe we go up to the 4 hours. Let me see this area. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. You do have a FVG over here. Uh, you have like a FVG here. Then after that, yep, then you got another, order block. So these are a few areas you need to keep a lookout, but I don't think it will come all the way until here. So this is pretty much useless. Just focus on this FVG. And remember, guys, just now I told you guys about VIX. Then at the same time, it's also SPY. These two things make me, that's why you see these 2 days I'm not very aggressive. I think very, very small trades. And that's more or less about it. And you can see, right, the market doesn't move a lot. It's like not going anywhere at all. Just stuck there. You see, even for Amazon, it's also not going anywhere. Amazon usually is quite strong. Meta is also like a very strong stock, but then there's no movement. That's why this is the thing that make me a little bit cautious, although it passed all the criterias. But then for me, whenever I see all this type of situation, right, I will go a little bit slower. Something like Palantir after yesterday, it done all the way here. And today it went up a little bit. Possible we have one more downside though. Oh, NUTX triggered. NUTX. Did I miss some comments again? Oh, yes, I missed one. Xiao Lang. Okay, wait. Not done yet. Not done yet. No confirmation. I'll set another alarm again. Let me delete the... Okay, NUTX triggered again. Okay, I will delete. Okay lah, the way I look at the market is developing. Yes, Mr. William, why? You know something about NUTX? You want to share with us? What's with that face? Why Sony Intelligent have the later news of two companies buying them, but stock never move a lot? Okay, usually is the company that buy them, right? That will move a lot. It's not the company that's being bought. Normally, this is what you will see. Oh, NUTX. NUTX. I just set one more at the low here, so about 89.61. And this stop loss is quite huge though. Yeah, this stock is a little bit crazy, huh? The chart looks like HNS. HNS. William, what is HNS? What is HNS? Oh, head and shoulder. Okay. Head and shoulder. Okay. Understood. How do I go back again? NUTX. Yeah, William, I'm actually looking at wave structure, huh? So I don't see uh head and got head and shoulder. Oh, okay. Yes, this one the head, this one the shoulder. Yes, it's done already. That's why I was also looking at something like that. After that, that's why I draw this zone. Not there to in stocks like that. Yeah, I understand. I understand what you mean. Yeah, normally I also don't trade this, but then when I take a trade, I will take it as a day trade. You know, just very small risk, 0.5% that type. Then let's see how it perform after that. I think NUTX still okay, not too bad. Where's my alarm again? Just now why it disappeared? Huh? Where's all my alarms? Oi, what happened? No problem, I will set another one. CRM. Yeah, CRM, I do think that it's a good buy, but then I will wait for a little bit, okay? Because right now, my stop loss is too wide already, too huge for me to take a trade. But I think more upside to come pretty soon. But we have earnings though. Earnings is when? Where's the earnings again? Earnings is, okay, still far away, about 1 month later. Yep, still definitely have room for, to get into this trade. Yeah, if I can get a smaller stop loss, I will definitely, look at this. So I will also set an alarm on the trend line. Oh, lose it. You want to day trade long or short? Yeah, this stock I will not do a day trade because the stop loss is wide, too wide already, too wide for me to do a day trade for this stock. I need something that the stop loss is very small, that type. Oh, Neo Neo. Why long time I never see Neo already. Okay, let me see. Oh ho, fire off Leo. $5 already, my friend. Fuyo. Oh, nice. Okay lah, but this Neo every time like to spike to about $5, $6, and then it starts to dump again. I think this move might be over quite soon. I give it another week or two. That's it, Leo. A lot of room to go. You sure or not, Mr. William? Neo leh. The fundamentals is damn bad though. And Neo, if you go to China before, right, out of 10 people, only one will buy Neo. Most of them buy BYD. Neo without the government support, I think they closed down already. Yes, Neo is right now they are all on government support. Without the government support, they die already. Die long time ago. Circles. Down 100%. I think down. More downside to go. Okay. Coin. Bitcoin definitely pulling back. Bitcoin is also pulling back. I do expect that consolidation to last for maybe 1 or 2 more weeks. So coin, I think, also will go down together. Neo is very pangtang name. Sounds like no. Yeah, Neo is bad lah. They don't. If you go and do some research on them, right, they don't even have the latest technology to manufacture their own cars. A lot of the parts, right, comes from other manufacturers. They don't have those top end or the best tools to actually build their own cars. Yeah, new is something that you can play for a little bit and faster get out. You reach $5 to $7 or $8, just get out. Okay, SPY at least not dumping a lot. Today the market is so slow, really, really slow. Not dumping a lot. Nvidia, okay. What aquarium? What ticker? MU. The ticker is Pang. PANG. Okay, later I take a look for you. If you're referring to me, right, this one only got uptrend, no downtrend. Pang, that ticker, right, it looks exactly like S&P. Okay, you just go to the weekly chart of S&P. One straight line to the moon. Okay, MU, I still think that consolidation, not done yet. Definitely not done yet. More downside. Okay, we still need to wait. This stock, I think possibly about 1 or 2 weeks more. Legit, got this sticker symbol, Pang. Okay, let me see. Oh, PANW. 2X ETF. Oh, nice. I like this stock though. This stock can move quite fast. But the ETF, the leverage type of stock, I'm scared. I have not tried it before. Maybe I can give it a shot. Yes, photo looks good. Looks very good. Korea. Yeah, well, I thought you were, talking about me. If you talk about me, you will only see this. Where, SPY. Okay, you only see something like that, okay? One huge straight line to the upside. Shoo. No pullback. Okay, in between. Small pullback only. Small ones. Okay, then this one don't have. This one censored away. Okay, then you get one more small pullback, then you start to go up again. News tonight. I think there's no news, Raymond. I don't think so. Donald Trump, keep nagging Jerome Powell, say this and that again. It's always about this. Recently, it's about, trying to bring Powell down. If not, it's about the tariff. But tariff part, right, more or less, we can see that it's quite stable already. It doesn't affect the market any longer. Even the negotiation, I think today they have a negotiation with Japan or something. They tariff them at, I think, 15%, which is also a very good sign. If I'm not wrong, I read that and I forget. Yeah, 15% for Japan autos. So maybe on the car parts or, the automobiles. What do I Japan is Nikkei, right? Nikkei, what's okay? Nikkei. Uh, well, I forget which one should I use though. Never mind. How we just try any one of it. I think this should be the correct one. It looks Nikkei got so strong, me. Nikkei 225, huh? Nikkei 225, correct. But then here there's a lot of. I think it's the correct one. Yeah. Japan looks strong, lah. It's good. It's good. Okay. After 2009 is like something similar, like SPY. But the pullback is a little bit larger, but it's still good. Oh, it's been a long, long time since I look at Nikkei. I think at least about 5 to 6 years or even 7 years. Oh, nice. Oh, guys, go and look at this, okay? Go and identify this. For the students, Nikkei, this is around start of 2018 all the way to about 2020. March 2020. Raymond, no issue, no issue. Yeah, today very, very slow. Do we have any major news this week? I don't think so, right? Yeah, usually the third week is like, yep, the third week normally no major news. Yeah, no news also that means no volatility. Oh, this ticket is nice, man. It's damn nice. Perfect. Hello, I love cherry. Okay, ETH, ETH. I think ETH is also pulling back. Yep, definitely pulling back. Wait for a little bit, okay? Give it, I think, 2 weeks or something. Maybe you will get another opportunity to get in. Yeah, I normally I will look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is definitely not ready. When Bitcoin comes to maybe 115,000, by then I think ETH will also be ready. Okay, Braveheart, nice. Oracle. Okay, just now I type in a group, right? What do I want to monitor today? MCD not done. DAL. Disney. Chanel, no. I don't think will be affected in August. Because 15% tariff is a lot lower than a lot of countries though. It's really a lot lower. Yeah, maybe you also can do a comparison to the past, past tariff, how much was it? Uh, oh, I typed wrongly. Okay lah, they understand Canal. Yeah, prior to that, I think it's about less than 2%. So right now they increased to about 15%. So I think it's still fine, not not exaggerating that type, not like 50%, 100%, 200%, that type, Yeah, so 15%, I think not much of an impact to the market. I think if you go and do a little bit of research, right, there will be articles saying that all this tariff news it will not be affecting it's no longer affecting the market. Investors are so used to all this nonsense already. They are almost like immune. Unless, uh, Trump tries to do something crazy, impose 100%, 200%, okay, then that one will shook the market for a little bit. Carry trade risks are like last year, August, is it? Yeah, that type of event is something that we can't predict lah. That one is like a black swan event, just out of a sudden, the interest rate just changed. So this is something as a retail traders, right? By the time the news hit us, the market already moved by a lot. Yeah, so what we can do is that when you take any trades, just move your stop loss, just shift your stop loss. In case you meet events like that, you'll get stop out a little bit earlier. Yeah, last August I remember the I can't remember the whole story, but then I know it's something related to the yen. Yeah, I also got a few positions where my stop loss didn't get triggered. Then I took on a larger loss. Some of it got triggered, some didn't. Okay, AMD looks good. Really, really good. Oh, more long-term investing. Long-term investing, then you shouldn't be not shouldn't affect you too much, right? Normally, I guess if you are doing long-term investing, if we go back to SPY, doing all these dips, if you accumulate positions, I think you're doing quite well already. Because I myself, I also have long-term investments. I bought VOO right over here. After most of my long-term investment like Nvidia, AMD, all that, they're also most of them are all right at this bottom area. I'm still holding on to them. So maybe in another 3 to 6 months, maybe I will decide to get out. Because for me, right, whenever I do long-term investing, if we go to SPY, the daily chart, something like this type of pullback, I will tend to get out first. Then after that, I assess again, then I will try to enter one more time. So my long-term investing is not very, very long that type. So something like over here, this lasted for maybe about 5 months. And then this lasted for about 3 months, somewhere around there. Oh, okay. If you are asking about this, my advice is just invest in VOO lah. Just buy VOO. It's the ETF of S&P 500. I think that will be the best already. It's very stable. Then your expense ratio is also very low. And right now, the dollar dropped a little bit, but then it's also at such a high price. I would definitely wait for some sort of pullback in SPY before I will start to DCA again. Yeah, I understand about the aging population, all that. Okay. If not, another one that you can look at is what? This one, Nifty. Nifty, you can try to look at it. Nifty is not bad, really not bad. If you go to the weekly chart and you look at Nifty, although it's like, the India index, but then look at it. It looks exactly like S&P 500. So if you ask me to compare Nikkei and Nifty, I would choose Nifty more than Nikkei, 100%. You look at Nifty like that, right? And then we go to S&P. So if you go to S&P, look at the chart. It looks identical, that kind. It looks identical. Sometimes you still feel that Nifty looks a bit, better than SPY. But then when we go back to Nikkei, I think this. Yeah, and then you scroll out all the way. This part actually looks good. This is not too bad. Not too bad. It's not as fast as. Okay, let me check. Let me see. From 2020 until now, about 150%. Oh, this is fast. I think this is fast. 150%. If you go back to SPY, around this period. No, here. During COVID until now, it's about 150% on par. It's actually on par with SPY. Both Nikkei since 2020 until now, both SPY and Nikkei up about 150%. So I think you should be fine. You should be fine. But if you ask me something that's more stable, I would definitely choose SPY. Okay, guys, I use the washroom first, okay? Time to go washroom. I come back later. 2 minutes, okay? Okay, I'm back. Okay, let me see. Live stream got chat. Okay, how about here? Thanks. Okay, no issue. Uh, Let me see. Okay, CSCO can. CSCO. You're looking to buy, huh? Possible. Possible looks quite good. Potato. Okay, can ask why AMD the trade. Okay, let me see, huh? Okay, random, your blue color ABC is correct, but then all your red color ABCs are wrong. Yeah, let me double confirm, huh? Yes, correct. All the red colors one are wrong. Okay, AMD. Okay, AMD, why I'm actually looking for the huge upside, right? Go and flip this. Okay, right now it's on the daily chart. So random agent, you can actually flip this. Then after you will know where AMD will go to. And then look back here, you compare here to here. Do you think that there's a potential for it to fly super duper high? Definitely right. Then for the 1 hour part, yes, we are at, resistance. I'm also monitoring that part. So, I'm also monitoring SPY at the same time. Then if SPY is not performing, I might take off AMD. Yeah, so SPY is the, determinator for me to make my decision. Yeah, I'm also thinking AMD should be due for a larger pullback pretty soon. It can't go up, forever like that though. Yeah, Adrian, what you draw on the hourly time frame for AMD is good. It's really good. I like it. And you can also see, right, there's a lot of sign like, the candlesticks are rejecting already. Yeah, Adrian, you might want to try, redo the yes, redo the ABC for the red color part. Then after your second ABC, right, that one, I think it's no longer valid. No longer valid because you are using the blue color one, right? The blue color is the valid ABC. You understand what I mean? Which color? The red color one. Red color. Yeah, red is the red color one. You look at Adrian's 4 hourly chart. All the red color ABCs are wrong. The blue color is correct. Yeah, you all try, try go and label. The market is quite boring. I'm looking for setups, but I got no confidence to take them though. Even those that, my alarm clock triggered is still quite scary. Yeah, they are considered all the higher risk trades for me. So even if I take them, it will be, a smaller size. Okay, Netflix is something that I'm looking for. It came into the zone already. I have already set another alarm at 1167. So if Netflix can enter that zone, possible maybe we can try to do a position trade. Potato, not yet, not yet. I don't like how it's doing, on the 5 minute time frame. So if I show you Amazon, the 5 minutes is not very clear. Look at the 5 minutes. It looks like there's more upside. And right now, you see, we are more than an hour in already, and it's not going anywhere. So even if we take this day trade, we need to make sure we can convert it into a swing. If not, right, uh, you might need to wait until about 2 a.m. before you can tell it's going up or going down. Yeah, looks like Palantir also coming down a little. RBLX finally looks like the pullback is coming. Oh, this is the first time RBLX, we see such a large pullback compared to this. Okay, Adrian, what you draw? Okay, yes, this is not bad. Okay, your first red color ABC, that one is good. If not, you just look at it as a maybe 5-way structure. Then after that, the middle ABC, right, that one is not bad. That one is not bad. Just that the B wave is a bit sharp, but sometimes this happens. Sometimes, okay. Then your last, the red color ABC. Okay, the last part, right? The last ABC, I will not put it as an ABC. I will just use it as an impulse. As an impulse. So if you were to measure, you use your FIB, you will be able to see where the blue color C wave will end. And when you see that, right, you will be very, very amazed. It's at the magic figure again. Yeah, if you want to flip, you will try to flip from the top all the way to that middle B wave low. Okay, your blue color B wave, right? Internally, you got one lower degree ABC, so you flip until the lower degree B wave. Hmm. LMND, nothing here. Oh, Hazel, are you out of your bio already? Do you secure your profit? Ah, nice, 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 nice. So scary, suddenly dump then come all the way up. Yeah, today like I can't find any good quality setup though. why why that question, Rick? You're quite tall, really? GG. How tall are you? When you say you are quite tall. Usually girls say that they are quite tall is like 165. Oh, you're tall. Really, really tall. Okay. Must be taller than Rick. GG. Wow. Hazel must be a must be a supermodel. I'm 176. Slightly a little bit taller only. Wow, Hazel give you one Muay Thai kick and maybe you'll fly. Then is your husband super tall that kind? I think Hazel's husband is about at least 1.8 plus. Okay. We all got nothing to talk already. After that, we all going to compare heights. Yes, correct. But then the small and mid caps, they are moving though. They are really moving. I also didn't see this. How come? Oh, I never set alarm. No wonder. Yeah, MVST. I never set alarm. Yeah, this week is quite boring lah. But this month is really not bad already. We are up quite, a fair bit. So, uh, we still got at least one more week to go, right? Let me see. Yeah, we have one whole week to go. Yeah, third week usually is a little bit slower. Because no news, no nothing. There's no volatility. And I scan through so much instruments. Those all doesn't have that perfect setup. You can go play Mobile Legend. Buy take on Micron is MU, right? NU if I'm not wrong. Yes. I think you still need to give it a week or two before it will be ready for upside. Yeah, as of right now, I will definitely wait. Yeah, I don't see a potential short or long for now. Wait. I will wait. Definitely, I will wait. Good entry price. Mm, Currently, I can't tell though. I don't think there's any zones. Yeah, no zones at all. Correct. Uh, the only one I can see is here, but then this is like so super far away. This is like quite far though. This is like 101.3 to about 98.3. This is way too far though, I feel. Mm, yeah, for MU right, I will definitely wait for a impulse first. No impulse, I will not be interested in taking any longs. Yeah, I need at least, a sharp move to the upside. Then after that, I will decide how I want to enter the trade. Oh, 109, huh? I won't buy at this price. For me, this wave structure is, yeah, it's not clear. It's really not clear. Yeah, I know maybe, they see this as a support or something. It's possible. But then based on the current market condition like that, right, I do think that SPY is going to have a larger pullback soon. So in the event if SPY were to pull back, I think MU easily maybe can chop a little bit after it will tank again. Yeah, that's why this week I'm a little bit more cautious. Wow, really? This is the first time we see RBLX pulling back so much. This is like how much already? Since the top, it pulled back roughly about 10, almost 9%. 9% already. Did we ever see? Yeah, after this huge move to the upside, this is the first time though. RBLX starts to pull back about 10 and 9% right now. Okay lah, you got such a huge gain already. I think, giving back 10%, some more ALVV, I think he's using a cash account. So for people who use cash account, 10%, on your overall ROI is really not a lot. So imagine you pump $1,000 into this stock, the most you give back about $100. But for trading, 10% drop, your account can be down a lot though. This is gold trade. No, this is the stock market. But if you want to take a look at gold, we can do so since the market is so slow. It's not going anywhere. Huh? From now on, we just trade pre-market, okay? Pre-market session, we all come to live. Then after that, when market open, we all go and play game. Yeah, he's holding it long term, so it's definitely fine. Like me, my long-term investment, I also took some partial profits here and there. But I still got no plan, no plan to exit everything. Yes, TikTok live category changed to MLBB. Is there any like good China stocks that we can take? Let's see. Oh, what happened to this Baidu? Baidu is still in this range. Baba, we can definitely wait. Baba is good, Tan, very good. But then, quite wasted for me lah. I took as such a nice entry, but then because of small stop loss, I got taken out. I think Baba will still continue to go up. Win Baba 0. Okay, Baba, okay, China market, if I'm not wrong, I do see that they have a new announcement for a stimulus package. So likely they will stimulate the economy and then Baba will continue to fly. Yeah, when we get a nicer pullback, we try to get in. We are not very, very late. There will definitely be pullback. Look at, this huge move back then in, I think, February, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, January, February period. You see, this is like a very small move only. You still have a lot of room to go though. I'm looking for Baba like this type of move. So when we get a good setup, I will definitely go in. Yeah, Tan, I also think Baba will continue to go up. Tan, today you got any recommendation or not? I run out of idea now. TCOM is not bad as well. TCOM, we can put it on our watch list. You enter Baba? Tan, you mean you enter Baba? TMO. TMO fired off already, right? Yeah, fired off already. He's gone. Bye bye. This stock looks nice. Okay, Hazel, you will jump into trades like that, will you? I thought you would jump in. When I was very new, I used to do that though. And a lot of times, the moment I jump inside here, I start to U-turn. NUTX. No leh, I don't have a confirmation. 100% don't have. Finally, my alarm is back. Okay, let me delete one of it. No, I don't want this. I also don't want this. Yep, not yet. No confirmation. Okay, Tan enter some trade. ZVIA. Let's see. Tan sometimes got very, very good trades. Oh, Hazel, you also jump in like that, I used to. Hey, Rick, that time I remember you tried to buy a put for a store, right? How did it perform? Is it good? What stock is that? Braveheart. No, right now we are looking at ZVIA. ZVIA. Yeah, I don't have a setup for this though. Wow, Rick, nice, nice, nice. Is it a good shot or not? Okay, Jovi. Let me see. Perfect lah. Perfect lah. Perfect. Put option. Nice. Fantastic. Very, very nice. Yes, ZVIA, correct. Yes, now going back up. Yeah, Joey, Joey is nice. It's not bad. But the time we try to, pick the top, then after that, really go and sell a put option. Hey, you go and buy a put option. You don't like low RR. Okay, okay, same as me. Okay, Tan Tan got one more recommendation. Wait, huh? Where's the recommendation? Okay, PSNI, PSNI, PSNI. Huh? Did I see wrongly? PSNL. Oh, PSNL. PSNL. Let's see. Hey, this is good. This is good. Thank you, Tan Tan. Okay, I add this inside my watch list. PSNL. Oi, what happened? What is this? Oh no, wrong function. Okay, Tan Tan, maybe I will join you shortly in this trade. I will wait for a little bit. Yes, PSNL. Currently, I don't have a valid setup for myself, but thank you, Tan Tan, for this recommendation. No setup, Braveheart, no setup for me. I need a very, very, very specific setup. Then I will take the trade. Yeah, but at least I can expand my watch list. It's also been a while since I add more stocks into my watch list already. ABVX. ABVX. What is this? Fuyo. Braveheart, you like this type of stock, right? You're looking for this. Phew, suddenly one gap up. Why gap up so much? Let's see. Oh, this is a lot, man. Sui. I know, Braveheart, this is your favorite. Oh, this is like the IPO only. Oh, no, this is the IPO quite long ago. Buy put, quite possible. Quite possible. A good idea, huh? Really good idea. Okay, you're up for the reason we buy put. Yeah, I actually like it. I like it. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's buy a put. Okay, yes. Let's go, guys. Raymond, thanks for the recommendation. But can buy or not? Hey, cannot buy lah, brother. Cannot buy. Got no option to buy. Cannot. Yep, cannot buy a put option for this stock. No have. There. Yes, yes, have. Some stock you cannot buy options from them. Yeah, maybe Rick, you can check, with IBKRC you can buy or not. My side I can't. Nothing. There. Wow, what stock is this though? Oh, don't have the tab. Yeah, my side also I can't buy. Hiya, wasted eh. I don't know. We buy put. Remember when you buy a put option, right? You want the market to go down. You want the stock to, drop. But I don't have this option. Too bad, but then if you want to short it, you need to use a cash account. But this is also something like speculative. So using options will be safer. But too bad we don't have this function. Uh, okay, Braveheart, this is ABVX. I don't know, I can type when I try. ABVX. I cannot type though. Why? ABVX. Oh, I can. Now I can. Reddit push DNUT yesterday, now coming down. Rick, how Reddit is pushing what stock? How do you know that? Do you have a, technique? Yes. I think you try to short it. Oh, Rick, you can send me or not? I also want to see it. Whenever they push something up, I want to, go against them. I want to short it down. Yeah, open. If I'm not wrong, yesterday there was trading hot. So if you are if you are trying to buy a put option or something during the trading hot, you won't be able to do anything. You must wait for like maybe 15 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. Open went down a lot, is it? Let's see. For you, really a lot. Okay. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Yeah, if you monitor any, can let us know, okay? We can all buy put option. But I think the put option we also cannot hold for very long, maybe max 1 week or something. Because after this type of huge spike, right, the IV 100% very high. And then when it starts to come down around here, the IV definitely will drop. Crazy gains and crazy losses. Yeah, we can definitely, try to find those meme stock. Then when they pump it up, right, then that's when, we try to buy a put option to short it down. 50 contracts. Oh, you're nice. Oh, nice. KSS. It's nice though. Let me see. They bought at $6. Oh, they pump it up, then after that, once it reach this top, then it starts to dump. You know, whenever they pump up the stock, we go and short it. We go and buy a put option. Because normally the pump we cannot catch, right? But then at least when it starts to pump, we can monitor and then look to buy the put option. I think it's easier rather than, try to stay inside all this. I would rather, buy the put option to short it down. Because at least minimally you can see this pump going. But then when you try to buy, you'll be stuck in this for a long, long time. Yeah, I think he bought it before the pump, correct? RKT. Yep, this is all good though. You look at this. Just look at this again. See, if you go and buy something, you stuck inside here for a very, very long time. Why not you wait for them to pump up the stock and then you buy a put option to short it down? Isn't it clearer? I think it's much more clearer though. Rather than you stuck inside here. Correct? At least you see this one when it starts to go, you go for maybe 2 days or something, then after that it starts to dump already. At least we got time to monitor. But when you're stuck inside here, you don't know you're stuck for how long. You buy like 1 month contract also doesn't feel right. Buy 2 months also doesn't feel right. Buy 6 months, you also don't know whether, within the next 6 months it will pump or not. Not bad, huh? Maybe another source of income for us. But we also need to see whether, all these instruments can we buy options or not? RKT. Okay, RKT you can buy options. And then KSS. KSS you also can buy option. It's good though. Yeah, but the IV crazily high that kind. Eh? No. Still alright. I know it's quite high. 9 days, the IV is like what 150%. Yeah, I think when you try to short it, maybe you can buy for 3 days, 4 days or something. And once it starts to slow down like that, you get out. Because we see a lot of times, right? Stocks like that. What do we have? I remember there are a few that looks exactly like that. Do I have it on my watch list? Nope. No risk, okay? During live stream, a lot of people will ask about those stocks. So I will try to add it inside my watch list. Then we can try just a very, very small amount. Then after we see how it performs. Lee. Okay, ARW is also one stock that we can watch out today. Where did I type it again? Okay, number 5, ARW. SPY is still not going anywhere. It's still exactly at the same level. Okay, let me take a look at meta option. I want to see whether I can buy any, I can sell any put option or not. Okay. Wait, Amazon coming down. Okay, guys, I would think I will do a day trade for Nvidia as well. Mm, wait, okay, everything should be correct. Okay, done. Okay. I also want to take a look at CCI. CCI. Okay, CCI, do you all still want to hold or not? Earnings is today after market close. The RR is quite good though for CCI. Let me see. Yeah, it's not bad already. How much is it? Let me calculate. Okay, where's the tracker? Okay, tracker is here. Nope, not this. Huh? Decide to take HTZ higher risk because near resistance. HTZ. Hey, this stock looks not bad, not bad. Let's see. Okay, not bad, not bad. Monthly. Okay, got earnings, is it? Okay, still got 2 weeks, so it's fine. Okay, HTZ. Okay, Tantan, I will also add this into my watch list. And if I do get a chance, maybe I can also get into this trade. Okay, Amazon, huh? Amazon, I wanted to short it, but then I think right now it's a little bit late now. A little bit late. Yeah, right now the RR is not so fantastic anymore. Okay, maybe I can set an alarm for Amazon. If it starts to pull back a little bit, maybe we can take a shot. Yes, I entered already. I entered for a day trade. I entered long. Lulu. Lulu, I still don't have a valid setup though. Yep, nothing for me. Lulu, I will still wait. Definitely still wait. What price? 169.55. I just got in on it not long ago. Likely I'm going to convert into a swing lah, huh? So my TP can be like 180 or something around there. Yeah, although it's a day trade, but I like to convert them into a swing trade. Yeah, I use very, very small stop loss and then the R will be good if it starts to fire off. Yeah, this is normally what I do. Okay, Netflix finally come into the zone 了. Netflix. We still need to wait for a little bit because right now it's still in premium. So I want to wait for it to go into discount before, I will be interested in Netflix. Yes, it's very expensive. This Netflix are really stupid, Until now, why they don't make, investors' life or traders' life easier? Just do a 10-to-1 stock split lah. Yes, they want to, I think they want to show power lah. Just do a 10-to-1 like NVIDIA. Like NVIDIA, like Tesla, Amazon, all that, all do stock split lah. 1,000 plus. Yeah, Netflix is there like any bad news or not? I think because of earnings. Last Thursday. After last Thursday, just be a bit more careful. After earnings, it didn't recover. DUNT. DUNT. Weekly. Okay, this stock is a bit special, huh? After IPO, usually what you see is that after IPO, right, the stock will, fly up for a little bit, but this stock is different. This one straight away tank. Right now it's $4. Oh, this is the donut shop. Donut shop. Oi, why wow, Rick, you should monitor this, okay? I put you the main person go and monitor all this, okay? Whenever you see a spike like that, tell me we buy a put option. Let's see. Wait, let me see first. BUNT. Can buy options, bro. Can buy. Okay, but the options is for this is not very liquid though. Yeah, it's not easy because I think the spread is too high. Yeah, spread is too high, and at the same time, the shortest one is actually 23 days though. Yes, Rick will be my meme director. Okay, sure, I do think more downside. This dumb can be a little bit scary though. Yeah, I don't know where this dump is going to stop. But at least minimally, right, you can see right now you're somehow like at support. Hopefully it will hold. It doesn't hold, possible you will start to see it dumping down even more already. A little bit similar to this. Can you see this and this? Previously, I think it also came somewhere close to support, is it? Yeah, somewhere around there. This like here to about here is like your support. Then after this area, it consolidate a bit and it starts to dump out. So possible you will see this happening again. Oh, they throw billions into this donut company. Sell on the Reddit. Yeah, they pump, then after that, they get out already. I think they must have like those VIP that do this all the time together. Maybe they are so rich. The moment they put their money in, the market can fly. Then after they start posting on Reddit, all that, then they hook you in so that can generate more liquidity, then they can get off their position. I don't know how it works lah. Uh, but all this looks very nice for short instead of longs. Okay, and okay, and okay. Weekly, I think more downside. Yep, I think more downside for me. Yeah, this type of stock is the NOK is Nokia. Okay. Yeah, normally when you see this will last for a very, very, very long time. Shiro, how you trade all these stock though? Do you buy them or you short them? I'm quite curious. Because I myself, I never trade stocks like that. Or you buy small amount. I think maybe you can flip around and try to short them instead. The short looks a lot more fun though. But Nokia, I think if you buy still okay. But that donut company, that one I think you can try to short. Yeah, this Nokia, no, we got a week here. Okay. Yeah, Nokia, if you want to buy, I think you wait for a little bit. Right now, it doesn't look ready to me. Okay, AMTM. Okay, this stock looks like, got some potential for upside. But you need to be a little bit more patient on this stock and it move a little bit slow. But I think maybe more upside. ATMT. AT what AMTM. Okay, actually this stock already hit my first target now. Yeah, and you are right now right at around, I think, resistance area. If I'm not wrong, let me see. Yeah, around resistance area. Then, yeah, Braveheart, this one I a little bit difficult to help you though. Yeah, I don't know how much it can move up. But if you are in position, try to move your stop losses. Yeah, even I go to the daily, I also don't know whether it will break this high or not. Yeah, possible, this might be the correction and then it might start going lower also. Yeah, this trade I will take, very, very small swing trades and then I will get out already. I will not hold for too long. NUTX. Still not ready. No, not ready. 100% not ready. This could dump even lower than the zone, huh? Just be a little bit more careful. Okay, guys, I go and get some water. I come back shortly. Okay, wait, I do the verification first. My god, lucky I listen to the sound of the verification. Oi, don't like that leh. My god. Oh shit. Cannot verify. Uh Come on. Okay, done. Okay, I come back shortly. Okay, I'm back again. Braveheart, that one is actually the TikTok verification. So every, I think 1 hour or 2 hours, they will ask you to verify the live stream. So make sure that you are a real person, doing the live stream. If not, they will ban your account for 1 day, which happens to me, uh, during the start of my live streaming career. I think my first month I got banned 4 times. Because I didn't know there were like this the verification thing. Then I keep talking and talking, then I didn't realize. Then after I get banned for nothing. Yeah, my first month was quite bad. Every week I get banned at least 1 time. Sometimes I say, some wrong things, some words you cannot say. The moment you say that word, GG, they'll ban you straight away, right away. Like the moment you said it less than maybe 5 minutes, and then suddenly your live stream got stopped. Hey guys, today the market very slow. Really, really very slow. So super duper slow. Hiya, Amazon. Hiya. No pullback there. Not good. Unless you all want to do a swing trade. Anyone up for the risk or not? Okay, for the student, I can tell you that the ending diagonal is not done yet. I double confirm with MACD already. So Amazon, the ending diagonal is not done. And if you all want to, can go and try. Try on your own charts. Yeah, random Adrian, later on, I will send you a new chart for AMD and then you can take a look. It's a very, very simple forecast. Okay, it's actually exactly the same as what you forecast for your blue color ABC. It's as simple as that. Then you don't need all those red color one. I will explain to you why you don't need all those red color labeling. Yeah, I think Amazon, we try not to risk it. Then we can, Amazon try not to take that risk. It's a little bit late for us now. I look at Google, I want to laugh. Hazel, are you up for the risk or not? soon liao, in another 4 hours time. No, Hazel still here or not? I got a feeling this I got a feeling these earnings are likely it wouldn't go anywhere, okay? I think it will be quite flat around this area only. Oh, you're still here, Hazel. But okay, Hazel, I ask you, if Google dumb down, what will you do? Because you left with about 50%, I think you're still fine. But what will you do? Okay, we just do some measurements. We predict the worst case scenario. 10% it will come to about 171. Okay, that's like the worst case. Maybe it can dump all the way to 171. Best case scenario, it fly up 10%. You will reach around 209 around there. As it lah. You're very funny, Hazel. Actually, you never or you never consider uh using options. Let's see, huh? Is the options okay? Cannot take losses, don't trade. Steady, I like you. Take options. Let's see. Even for 2 days. Yeah, it's quite. The spread is also quite high already right now. Yep, definitely high. Even for 2 days, the price is $6.80. If not 550. Yeah, take options also not easy though. Okay lah, Hazel, huh? All the best, all the best. I hope Google fly up. She's steady, this girl, really steady. Okay, Rick, I can't help you. You save yourself, okay? You like borrow Hazel's hand to stab your own face. Oh, I think you are the most brave girl I ever met though. Ballsy, really. Next level. Okay, I think Google just now I saw something. Don't want to scare you or anything, okay? You just go according to your own plan. But then you look at Google, this one is, they call it the classic, This is your shoulder, this is your head, and then this is your shoulder. So every time you see that, right, possible you will get some correction over this area. But I don't know, I have not tested this enough. I don't know how well it will work. So maybe a little bit similar to this part, something like the inverse one. This one is the shoulder, this one is the head, and then this one is another shoulder. Then after it starts to go here. I have not tested this enough, but it's a very, very well-known thing among, I think, traders and investors. Yeah, head and shoulder. I don't use this myself. But I do see a lot of people talking about it. Just now William also, talking about the head and shoulder. Yeah, a little bit maybe similar to this also. You can see, right, this one is like a shoulder, there's a head, and then this one is a shoulder. So minimally, maybe you get some pullback before it starts to go. But I don't know lah. The Google, I just feel that it won't go anywhere after earnings. More or less, it should be quite flat. Let's see the previous earnings. Okay, the previous one went up. I think we go to 4 hourly better. It's easier to see. Okay, how about this? Okay, this one is the one that went up. This, okay. After this earnings, it didn't go anywhere. How about this? This one also never go anywhere. After that, maybe market open, it went up, then starts to down. This one fly up. This one dump down. This also down. This one up. Okay, this one about 6%. This like about 10%. And about 8%. Yeah, I also can't really tell lah, but likely I just think it won't go anywhere. Normally one day, the day before earnings, the sell-off should be quite a lot. But then we don't see that sell-off on Google as of right now. Hazel, you looking at any trades or not? Can give me some recommendation? I run out of idea. I still got a lot of margin. Rick, you looking at anything? Adrian, looking at anything? Raymond, looking at anything? You figuring my chart? What you mean by like some problem? What problem you face? What happened, my friend? Can see your AMD. Can. Which time frame? What's your time frame you want to see? Four hours. Can. Is this okay for you? August 2024. 5th August 2024. Wait, let me find 5th August. Should be this area, right? Okay, here. 5th August. Oh, here. This part. Okay for you? I have a week here, huh? Yes, my one got a week, huh? I got a long week here. Cause Rick one no week, ah. Where do you send? How come, this one got no week? I don't see you guys sending anything though. You're trying to figure out the wave structure. I think so. Okay, maybe you are on daily time frame, is it? Are you on daily? Daily, there's also week, huh? Oh, okay. You know why or not? You know why you can't see that week? Is because he zoom out his chart too much already. That's why doing the screenshot, right, you cannot see the week. I also noticed this issue. There was one chart that I sent into the group. After that, I went back to take a look. I said, hey, how come no week over there? Oh, Rick don't have. That's weird. How come you don't have the week? Okay, uh, Rick, is yours under Nasdaq or not? Over here, the top left hand corner, is yours under Nasdaq? Let me try. AMD got some other. Yeah. Rick, try to choose the one that is under Nasdaq. Because you can see, right, this is like the primary exchange. Don't choose this. What get tax, TX, TSX. Don't choose all this. Nasdaq. 4 hours. Yeah, why your data so different, guy? Uh, mm, your premium, no, you should be expired already. Then they censored the data, right? Or you want to go, go and take a look at your. I thought you just bought only. How come going to expire? Okay, that time how do I change the candlestick? Okay. Rick, you press on this. Press on this. Top left hand corner. And then you choose candles. Make sure it's candles. Don't choose what holo candles or that. Let me see. Which one do you choose? Volume candle? No, doesn't look like that. Bars. No. My God. Wow. This one looks so nice though. What is this? Do you choose the wrong one? I change back to candles, okay? I look at candles. Amazon coming back. Okay, I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Mission abort. Okay, mission abort. Okay, NUTX. Yes, AMD is good. Okay, verified. Still no confirmation. Not something that I will trade. Definitely got more downside to go. Yes, I have a very specific structure. Okay, I'm waiting for that to happen. AMD very good, Okay, congratulations. Small risk, huge reward. Soon now, We hope can get another 1:9 again. Okay, since AMD is performing, how about Palantir? Okay, I will decide later. Wait, I take a look at your chart again. Okay, Rick, can you zoom in, right? The 4 hours part, right? On the what was the date again? 5th of August or something, right? Can you try to zoom in more? Because right now your chart still looks a little bit different from mine though. How come? Okay, when you zoom out like that, let me see. I know like my one still red color candle. Mine, even I try to zoom like yours, but mine is still, you see, it's still a red color candle. Okay. I might know what happened. Okay, Rick. Uh, okay, under here, right, this bottom right hand corner, can you uh can you change your time zone to UTC plus 8? Choose Singapore. The bottom right hand corner. Why random one is also different? Singapore liao. Okay, do you buy the real time data or not? Do you all buy the real time data? Okay, let me look at your chart. Okay, so far everything looks good. What is this? ADJ, what is this? Oi, what happened? What is this ADJ? No, I don't want that. Adrian still have. Hey, Adrian, I actually what I sent them an email already. So just waiting for them to reply. So if they give us discount, that would be awesome. Oh, just for dividend data. Wait, what is this? Okay, I have no idea what is this adjust data for dividends. Mine is unchecked though. But I don't know what is it about. I just leave it there. Yeah, mine is always on extended trading hours. Then what else can we change? Okay, Rick, how about these settings? Maybe I can screenshot and then I send it to you. You see whether yours is the same as mine or not. Screenshot. You try this and see whether yours is the same as mine. Ah, okay, okay, correct. Yeah. What do you fix though? XRP. Can XRP? Oh, you can buy from Interactive Broker. Is it cheaper? Where's the still the same consolidation. Usually Braveheart for those crypto, right? Normally I think a one what is this? Wait. This one is wrong. XRP USD. Yeah, usually you when Bitcoin starts to pull back, I do notice, all the other coins they will also be pulling back as well. It's normal, you have such a huge move already. No pullback is not healthy. So just wait for this pullback to be done. So same thing, Bitcoin. Yep, not done yet. Yes, Adrian, this is correct. Okay, your fib, right? You can actually draw it a bit lower to the next low. You can flip to the next low. Oh, slightly cheaper. Okay, okay. Yes, nothing to buy, Braveheart. I also don't have much, opportunity here. Even SPY make new high again. Fuyoyo, 632 liao. Target hit. Yeah, Adrian, if I can get the discount code will be good. If not, right, just wait for the next offer. If I see another offer, I let you know. Yeah, wait for the 70% discount. Yes, Braveheart today is very boring. Yeah, recently the market is like that, so I took most of my trades all during the pre-market sessions, and then when the market opened, I also got nothing to trade now. Okay lah, guys, we stream until 12:15. Okay, then after that we can take a early rest. So maybe another 6 more minutes. Okay, then those guys, those students, you can play Mobile Legend now. Yeah, right. Nothing much to do though, then uh, just relax. Oh. We need to find quality setups, not, any trades, and then we try to take everything. DGX. Yeah, yeah, Braveheart, Braveheart. No, no, Rich, you definitely, you can do your own things. DGX, why suddenly come down like quite hard that type? DGX is not bad. It's an uptrend stock. At least uptrend, huh? Oh, okay, okay. Because of earnings. Okay, earnings coming back down. Uh, I think you give it another 2 days, 3 days. Then should be able to long. Braveheart, do you have a lot of watch lists? You have like 200, 300, 400 that type. Or, you are only stick to maybe 20, 50 and that's it already. Or you are always on the hunt for new watch lists. About 100 plus. Okay, okay. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, it's good, it's good. I also have a lot so that I can, keep changing here and there, go and look at different industrial. Then I don't have to stick to all the mega techs. I think you're off fit wrongly though. I actually okay, okay. Wait, Hazel Fib is okay. Uh, and this is Adrian's Fib. Okay, Adrian's Fib is perfect. Perfect. Yeah, you can combine, both Hazel and Adrian's Fib. And then yep, I think you can combine the last two. The last two is nice. Oh, golf. Did we talk about that? Sometimes you need to remind me. Oh, that time 60 plus receive can take the trade. Yeah, $68. Back then it was quite nice. Quite nice for a good trade. Okay, let's see the weekly. Oh, this is good. Nice. Yes, definitely. Definitely. Adrian, you are right. The RR should be quite good for this trade. Yes, correct, correct. So right now, you have to wait for pullback. No pullback, you jump in here. Unless it's the next RBLX, maybe you'll die very, very badly. Bro, any recommendation on funded trading with less than $100 entry? I don't know though, bro. I don't do funded trading. I trade my own account. Yeah, maybe you can do a Google search. If not, ask ChatGPT. Less than $100 entry. I thought funded trading, you don't have to pay a single cent. Normally, you attend their course or something, then after that, if you're okay, they'll hire you, they'll give you a certain amount to trade, something like that. No, why so many alarm here? Delete. Okay, guys, I'm going to take this straight for DAL. Okay, Adrian, the last, I don't know what ticker is this, but then that the B wave too far away already, and then the C wave also too far, too 夸张 already. too 夸张 okay? Bring your B wave back, okay? Okay, what ticker is that? Let me see. I try to, AC. Wait, why cannot type AC? Oh, this is golf. Okay. Where you draw it? But that one a bit too far liao, okay? Too far already. You should be looking exactly over here only, like that, okay? Like that. Enough. Done. Finish. You understand or not, Adrian? Yeah, Adrian, you should be looking like that. Your corrective structure is done already. Can you tell where is it? Hazel also laugh at you. Yes, you zoom out, okay, but then corrective structure, you go and measure how long your that correction lasts for. Normally you don't see so big, huh? You don't see so big. Cool. Yeah, I like to zoom out. Okay, I like to look at my charts like that. Almost can't really, see the candlestick. I like to look it at this way because I use alert wave. So when you look at chart, you no longer look at the candles or that already. You're looking at the wave structures. Only trend line then market structure. Okay, you should be doing like from a swing low to a swing high or something like a high, a higher high, something like that, right? Yes, Adrian, you can zoom out, no problem. But then don't forget your trend lines. And normally your structure don't develop so big like that lah, brother. A bit 夸张, you know. It's funny what. Okay, this one later I help you. I help you with this, okay? Bro, the correction too big now. No worries, okay? I will show you more example. 5 years a bit 夸张 lah. This one is uh later I draw for you, okay? You're all very funny. And I always laugh a lot, right? No, but I kind of think of, when I initially first started learning Ella Wave, I also draw something like you. Super big that kind. Okay lah, guys. I will teach you, okay? I will teach you. I will laugh, but then I will still teach you, so don't worry. Okay, Kuya, my students, okay, they try to identify some corrective structure that is extremely big that lasts for 5 years. So, uh, it's something that when I initially first started, I also draw something so big. Okay, I will show you. Okay, Adrian, I will show you. I will show all of you. Okay. Okay, open door, open door. Open door, I think still more downside, right? Yeah, still more downside. I think downside. Not too sure whether this is your support already, So wait for a little bit first. Okay, trend line plus market structure. Then when trend line break, I'm out. Okay. Yeah, the way I trade is very different. I use alert wave theory. So alert wave either, you move in a 3-wave or a 5-wave structure. So I'm always looking at the wave structures, like how it's developing. So this is the part that gives me confidence, when should I get in and get out. Adrian, you make my day. I keep looking at your chart. Okay, later I send it to you. I'll remember this, okay? Golf. Okay, golf. Can. No problem. Okay lah, I can send you now lah, no issues. Where's that part again? Ah, okay, understood. Where's the labeling function? Okay, I sent it to you guys already, so you can take a look. เข้าใจไหม? Hey, potato, I never laugh at that guy. I never laugh at that guy. It's because of Adrian. You guys are a whole bunch of people. Super funny. Yeah, because okay, guys, over on live stream, I got a second monitor. Okay, so the second monitor, I have like my, all the live stream stuff, and then I also got my Discord group chat. Everything is there. So I'm looking at their questions and then answering them as well. Okay, Rick. Initially, I thought it was also this. I also thought it's this. Okay, if you forecast like that, it's actually okay. It's really fine. It's really fine. Because we don't have a real confirmation like how it develops. But then, I think more or less, yours and mine, right? Either one of it is the correct one. Yeah, if you want to have even more confirmation, right? I think likely you will need to go and measure all the correction size. So if you look back, right, look back at past historical data, yeah, I think maybe mine will be a little bit better. Okay, let me circle this part for you. Just look at this size, this, and this. Yep, these three. Let me send it to you guys. Okay, I send this to you, and then you look at the correction size of these three. So if your previous correction is actually a little bit smaller, and then after you get a confirmation that you are heading for a larger consolidation, right? So I believe by drawing mine is actually bigger than the previous one. So I also put that into consideration. Yeah, right? You put on trend line, all that is like pretty much useless. Like if you start all the way from the low, the deviation of the trend line is way too much already. And then you look at the correction size, the previous one is smaller. Okay, after when you start to trend all the way up until the part that I draw the ABC, that one should be a bit larger than the previous one. Time frame Kuya, what you want to know? Sorry, because I'm actually answering them. Yeah, they are all the very fun students. They always make my day. Kuya, you have a question to ask? Okay, but if you want to look for trade 12 May to 3rd June period breaker, how you draw the wave structure? 12 May, this year or when? May, let me see. Oh, this year. Okay. Maybe I go down to the 4 hours for you. 12 May. Okay, understood. This one is actually quite easy. Maybe I go down to even the 1 hour to show you. 1 hour looks a lot clearer. Which one is the top? This is the top. Okay, good. Okay, the 12 May one is actually quite amazing. I show you this part. You will see repetition of what's happening here. Where is it? Okay, this one you need to split into two parts. It's actually two corrective structure there, but then they look extremely, similar. Can you see that one is smaller, the other one is a bit larger? The first one is larger, the other one is smaller. But when you first look at this chart, you will look at D first to see if the corrective structure has completed, right? Random, what do you mean by D first? What do you mean by that D? Yes. Normally I will start from the higher time frame because the higher time frame, right, I think you can even try this though. Uh, okay, let me try first. Okay. Um, you can try to either go to. Let me see. Wow, I can't see this part already. Wait, I type something for you. Okay, I think cannot type. Wait, one moment. Okay, if you look at this chart, right? Can you actually see the expanding triangle now? MACD also give you the confirmation. Then after your expanding triangle is done, where it ends at your E wave, right? After E wave, it starts to have this like huge impulse going up. So that impulse, right? And the arrow that I'm pointing to is the corrective structure just now we were discussing, uh, on the image just above this only. So you can see an expanding triangle there. So if you were to look at this way, the way you look at, once you identify the expanding triangle, right, the impulse will be easy already. You understand? You can see right at the bottom, the trend line there, that's like the wave E already. So after wave E is done, definitely you will have a huge impulse to the upside. Then that's when everything will become very clear for you, and then you just focus on that impulse. Yeah, so you need to use in combination, huh? Are you on the triangle lessons already? Ah, okay, okay, can. Yeah, so if you do see the expanding triangle, things become a lot clearer for you because let me relabel everything again. Then I show you the final wave count. So the internal structures and everything becomes extremely clear for you. Okay, one moment, huh? Because this screen is a little bit smaller. Okay, I send this image in. Can you see that things become a lot clearer? You can see the impulses between them. So after your correction is done, the next thing that comes is your impulse. If you don't understand where's the impulse, let me know. I will draw one more for you. Then you do a comparison. Okay, very, very, very good. Then after that, I send you one more. Now take a look at this. Okay lah, guys, I also thinking of taking this trade though. Okay, this one, right? This expanding triangle is not the most beautiful type. But then after the impulse over there, right? From the impulse high until the low of A wave, right? That one is actually the whole A wave. Convention. What do you mean by that though? Okay, those green arrows, right, they are all the impulses. And then those that you see with the ABC and ABCDE corrections, right, those are the corrective structures. Ah, okay. Yeah, normally you have, the regular flat, C flat, expanding flat, and running flat. Then the one that we are, we are looking at, the ABC, right, that one is a running flat. Yes, it's damn good. Super good. The best thing I have ever used. Yeah, this is what, my students inside the course, they are learning. You'll be able to forecast the market. You'll be able to know, likely where it can goes to. After that, more or less, you also can tell whether the market has reached a top or a bottom. It's amazing, that kind. How about STIM? STIM. Why? What you want to know about this, Adrian? To invest in, currently, if you ask me about long-term investment, right, I would definitely not buy anything as of right now. I would prefer market to pull back first. Unless you are you're doing trading, then okay, you can go and see, what type of stock you like, you can get in and out. Oh, SITM. SITM. Oh, you're a student. Cheap and long-term stocks. The easiest one is VOO, the ETF of S&P 500. That will be the easiest already. Unless the market tank or what, maybe you can go and try buying Nvidia, buy AMD, maybe Google, Amazon, Palantir, something like that. Okay, what you want to know for this chart, Adrian? What you want to know? They are so expensive. Uh, yeah, bro. The stocks that I trade are more of the blue chip stocks. They are expensive because if you something regarding penny stocks, I don't know what's good though. AI stocks so far I myself I have not bought any though. Yeah, you can go and do a bit of research. Maybe this QUBT, I think recently has been quite popular. But just be careful, okay? Just be careful. uh, what else? I think QS also. If you ask me, I think QS looks a lot better. Yeah, but you have to, go and do more research. Go and read the fundamentals of the company and decide from there whether you're up for the risk or not. Yeah, other than that, I don't have much on my watch list though. Yeah, Adrian, I'm joking with you lah. Millie is the student. The easiest one, you can use ChatGPT. Just type in ChatGPT and ask how's the company performance, and then any investors coming into the company to invest in them. Yeah, normally for myself, when I look at the fundamentals, I download their balance sheet and everything. After that, I read them one by one by myself. Although I read very slow, I'm not very good with fundamentals. But then, at least I can read the balance sheet a little bit. Yeah, maybe take me like 1 hour plus or something. Okay, SITM. You want to see how I draw this? Eh, is it correct or not? How I draw this? Okay lah, this one is pretty easy, right? Which one is lower? $73.1. Okay, this one is lower. Okay, Adrian, you want to try to draw? Then after that, you know, show it to me. Then I see, how do you do it? Go and try. Any trade possibility for this? Currently, I think maybe a little bit more downside. Yeah, the random, that's the thing. I normally, this type of stock, uh, you can try, to trade them, but wouldn't be so easy. I would rather, uh, uh, ask you to go and pick something like Nvidia, AMD, or that. It will be easier for you to trade. No, 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 he's not, okay? He's not. Yeah, brave hard. I'm going to panggang soon already. I'm also quite tired now. I sit here for so long though. You just finished school. I wouldn't recommend that you do trading full time. Trading, there will be a lot of things you need to learn first, okay? Really, you need to learn a lot of things. It's not as easy as it seems like. You can win one time a big one, but then you will still need skill to be consistently profitable. I would say, go and find a job and then start working first. While you are working, learn how to trade or invest. Never ever jump into it full time. Even I myself, I make quite a lot of money from trading. If you ask me, sit down here from market open until market close, I will not do that. And don't restrict yourself, okay? Try to have as many sources of income as you have. Okay? Never ever restrict yourself. Huh? What? Okay, okay. Adrian, my bad, my bad. Don't angry, okay? Okay, Adrian, but then you miss out this one, eh? This one, eh? Okay, if you... Okay, this one, right, try to look at it as a 5-wave structure. But whatever you draw for the blue color line is good, that kind is good. Break it down into a 5-wave structure. How do you learn when you first started? I have a mentor. I have many mentor. Like really a lot that kind. Because I keep, trying to find that holy grail or something that will make me rich out of a sudden. So I went to join a lot of courses. I think in my lifetime, I joined more than 10 trading courses. But there's only three that I like it so much. Then that's how I, modified that three into one system. Okay, Braveheart is definitely not ready. I think it dropped below that zone now. When it tanked below that zone, then mission abort. Yup, definitely not ready. Not today. I don't see any sort of, rebound from here. Yeah, yes, correct. Braveheart need to wait more. Really need to wait more. It's definitely not ready. Because whenever it comes inside my zone, I need to see signs of rejection. No rejection, no go. Easily, it can just break below this zone, and then it can continues to tumble down. What's the three? The first one I just called it the technical price action strategy. So it's something quite simple. They are well known everywhere, but then I have my own sets of rules to actually trade them. Yes, I think him's possible, more upside. Then the second one is alert wave, which is something that I do day in, day out. So all my strategy revolve around alert wave. Then lastly is smart money concepts. Guys, you see, I'm a good teacher. Leh. You do mistake, I laugh at you. I never scold you. These are what good friends are for. When I see you fall down, I want to laugh at you. Yes, Elliott wave. You can go and do some research. But the way I do Elliott wave is very different from what you going to learn online or even reading the book. It's totally different that time. That's why you see I can show you one example. We go to trading view. Okay. Trading view, there are a lot of wave traders. Then we go to the community, trading ideas. We just scroll through. You will definitely see one. Hey, there's a search button over here, right? You just type hello wave, I think. Fantastic. Yep, normally you see when you go, online or something, on this one a bit small, chart, you can make it bigger now. Yeah, I don't think you will be able to see this though, it's so small. Maybe like that, this one is also quite small. Is there any bigger one? How about this? Yeah, okay, it's small, but I can't zoom in for you. Yeah, normally, you see a lot of labelings over there, but then when you come to me, you won't see me doing all this with labeling. I have a very, very special way of identifying all the wave structures. Okay lah, guys, we're getting late. Okay, 1 a.m. We are going to non. Okay, I see you guys tomorrow. Yes, Sai, I have a course. If you want to know more, just drop me a DM. WhatsApp me. Okay, give me a WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp will be better. You WhatsApp me, I will send you the details and you decide whether you want to join or not. Okay? Time to go to bed, guys. Time to go to bed. Okay, good night, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Good night. Bye bye. Take care.